Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So it is Sunday, February the 25th, and we are back at Walgreens. We have a beauty deal of $30 of stuff completely for free, cheap Pop-Tarts, cheap detergent, and some 90% off dental care products. Oh my gosh. So it is another fantastic Sunday. Oh, and I also triple stacked some boosters. So there's that magic as well. So we'll talk about that. First thing, if you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, really helps me and the channel out. If you can take a quick second and like this video, I would be so grateful. First piece of business, lots of orange stickers hit 90% over at Walgreens in the dental care aisle. We have toothpaste, mouth rinses, brushes, fancy stuff. 90% off. I think it went that way probably on Saturday. And one product, if you can find three of, it's this double pack of the Pressed Crow Health Gum Detox for $1.39. Original price point is $13.99. We have a $4 digital coupon. So for this, you have to get at least $4 worth in store. So three of them would be $4.17 at $1.39 each. Subtracting that $4 digital, you're paying 17 cents for the three, and you need three for the coupon to come off. But even if you would use $4 in Walgreens cash, you're still getting these double packs at 90% off, which is a crazy deal. I would definitely go and investigate that, especially if you use the more expensive toothpaste. I recently found a deal on some Sensodyne and I really stocked up. But if you have gum problems or very sensitive teeth, I know I'm not alone with this. You know that sometimes you'll have to pay up for this stuff. So if you can find it very cheap, it's definitely great to have in your stockpile. Now, this is Aunt Rach just telling you to be on the lookout. We have an 8-pack of the Walgreens brand paper towel, and it's the super premium 8 rolls, and it's a little bit on clearance right now for $9.99, and this is the first wave of it. When this hits 50%, if not more, I mean, this is definitely one item to be on the lookout for. You might also want to just walk down that aisle and see what's on clearance, both cleaner and paper products. Let's talk about a deal that everybody loves, the Pop-Tarts. You can get 3 boxes for $5, and these are the 8 counts. We have this digital coupon, which is $1 off of 2, so make sure you have it loaded. So you're going to grab 3 of these boxes for exactly $5 on the nose. Subtracting that dollar coupon, you're basically paying $4 for the 3, or it's $1.33 per box, which is a very good price point. Now, I know that Dawn's Deals earlier was posting something on Instagram about a $2 register reward printing. It was some sort of a glitch. However, I went shopping at 10 a.m. this morning and I did many transactions and no $2 register reward printed for this or any of my deals. I'm just being 100% transparent with you guys, so you're not going to get that great prices right moment. If you wish to use a bit of Walgreens cash, you're doing this deal with no booster, absolutely go for it. Okay, let's talk about everybody's favorite now, the Pantene at $5. I really love their conditioner. I think it's fantastic. So the promotion for this is to buy 3, get back a $4 register reward. But we also have a digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 3. So this is quite spectacular. Make sure you have this guy loaded for this deal. And we're going to be grabbing the cheaper ones at $5 a pop. So I got 1 conditioner and then 2 of the shampoos. The conditioner is like a bottle of magic. I absolutely love to use that as a hair mask. 3 of these in a basket is $15 on the nose. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $10. Get back a $4 register reward. It makes it $6 for the 3 or $2 per shampoo or conditioner. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. So I believe this is our laundry deal of the week. We're looking for the Tide Orgain products at $5.49. So we're going to grab 1 liquid Gain, and look for them tagged where it says $5.49. Buy 4, get back a $5 register reward. And then these pods, I always find the bags of pods are so easy to store, especially if you have a larger stockpile. I mean, it's just quite fantastic. So make sure you grab 1 of each. That'll be $21.96, and the promotion for this week is to buy 4 and get back a $5 register reward. So that is a little bit of savings pour vous. And then if you go into your digital coupons folder, there's a $1.50 coupon for each of these products. So that makes it really fantastic. So looking at the math for this one, it's $21.96 for those 4 unique products. Subtracting $6 in digitals, you're going to pay $15.96. Get back one $5 register reward, making it $10.96 for the 4 or $2.74 per laundry product. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But what tremendous savings on some laundry care to get these like top tier P&G products for so little. Oh, I do want to throw something out to you guys. Typically, the fabric softener and these 105 count bounce dryer sheets are always part of it, where there's $1 digital, rinse and repeat. However, they're $4.99 this week, so they are excluded from this deal. So that's why we're going with the Gain Liquid and the Gain Fling. So just throw that in your back pocket when you're in the store. Now we're talking about a body wash deal. We're looking at these Olays for $7 each. So 3 of them will be $21 on the nose. We have this 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You're going to make sure you have it loaded. So a very straightforward deal. 3 of these body washes, $21 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $16. Get back one $5 register reward, making it $11 for the 3 or $3.66 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And to throw this out and let you guys know, body wash and dental care is no longer part of the beauty. We have a weird booster of spend 30, get back 10. This is excluded from it. So just throwing that on the table to be transparent. Okay, so let's talk about the triple stack that I did. I had a 5 back when you spend 15 paper booster, a 10 back when you spend 30 on beauty, and then a general basket of a 7 back when you spend 25. This is $22 back on a $30 basket. So this is really fantastic. The one thing though is that you have to buy beauty products to make this rock and roll. So what I got was a $14.99 set of brushes, 2 of the Maybelline baby lips, and then a L'Oreal foundation that's on clearance. We have a lot of digital coupons, so if you want to try and find something that'll work with that, I mean, go for it. You don't have to do the exact same deal as I'm showing. This is just an example. So when you're in the store or doing this online, however you want to do it, obviously if you want to use that paper booster, you got to do it in store. But if you're doing this online, you're going to be looking for this specific message below the beauty products that you're buying to make sure that you are on the same page for this deal. So very, very important. So we're going to be grabbing, as discussed, one of these brushes for $14.99. I don't know, it's just a Walgreens brush. If you have Real Technique, you can always go with that as well. And then 2 of the Maybelline baby lips that are on a buy one, get one 50% off. So that is lovely as well. And then we have a very generous coupon that is a 5 off of 2 for the baby lips. So, you know, just make sure you have that guy loaded. And then one of these L'Oreal True Matches for $7.59. I just looked for something cheap. So like whatever you might have, you know, and then load this 4 off of 1. L'Oreal has a bunch of digital coupons as well. So this basket, we're looking at one of those makeup brushes for $14.99, 2 of the baby lips for $8.23, and a L'Oreal face cosmetic for $7.49 for a total of $30.71. Have your boosters loaded. The 10 back when you spend 30 on beauty, the 7 back when you spend 25 on general. Get the cashier to scan your paper booster. $9 in digitals melting off, 5 for Maybelline and 4 for L'Oreal. You're paying $21.71 with your debit card as you're juggling a bunch of different boosters, and then getting back $22 in Walgreens Cash for all of those boosters. It makes it basically free. Do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens Cash to pay down your balance, but what a deal. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.